Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make money using your Redbubble as a beginner. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to need to find our niche and make the account. So first of all, we search as Redbubble in our search bar and we'll open as a Redbubble. So here we can see we have an option called as sell here. So we will click here. So we will click on start selling. So here it is asking for you are a artist and as artist or a customer. So I'm an artist. So here you have to just put my mail username. So I'm taking for this video as a temporary mail. So I will go to this site. This site provides as a temporary mail or .gmail. We'll copy this. So we'll just paste it here. And I have to take a username. So I'm using my name as triple four 4 times 0 then 1. My password. Give me a so I will click on sign up button. So here I need to create a product and set up the store and get paid. So first of all I have to add the design. So where I will find the design. So let's duplicate this tab and you have to do like Redbubble first. So here we can see like here is our dashboard. So here we need to find the product. So for the project we can just make a t-shirt or stickers that we can do at the first. So for example you can just search as t-shirt. We can search as only for t-shirt. Hit enter. So here we have an option called man, baby, and kid. So we will say in general. So we have to write the average costing also. So we can just make a Google Docs and we can write there. So for this video I am just saying for here as I will take. So the average costing is approx like a $19. That is here 19 to $23 between of that. So we have to target that segment only. If you don't be much more cheaper. If we want to be cheaper, we can just go to $18 or $17. If we want like more cheaper, it would be like less profit. So we have to make a variable profit also. So we will set up a price at uh approx like 17 $18. Or if we are like a high branded product, so we can just do up to like 25 to $30. So this is the first product, t-shirt. So the second product I'm choosing as sticker. Sticker also is the best thing that you can sell. You can just do as sticker. You can search as a normal sticker. So we pick sticker. So as you can see, these are all the stickers will cost you like a $1 to $2 between of that. So we can just make it more higher. So to make this higher and to make the more profit, we can just provide designs like this is 4 designs and they are providing at the cheapest rate. So you can just make your design like a more design thing and you can just do. So we can make a sticker of your customized QR. So we can just like make like this and we can do next. So here we can see we have all the stickers. So for uh, like if I want to go with the like a t-shirt printing, so here we can use as our Printify or Printful. So let's open our Printful site. So here we can just make as a POD t-shirt. POD means like print on demand products. So first of all we have to make the design. So to make the design we can use Canva or we can just take copyright free images. So we can just using Canva. For the copyright you can just use as raw pixel. It is the good site. Okay, use like a raw pixels. You can just search as here raw pixel. So here we have to click on free, and for free we can just take the picture from here if we want. You can see we can just take this type of picture. Got this picture. So we will save that as an image. So in the site we can't remove the background, as you know. So we have to remove the background in the app only. So we'll open like this. So here we can just close this as discard. So we can just view the file. So here we can just customize it. So here I can just remove the background and I can just edit it. So I can just edit it via here with the filters. See all the filters also. Actually it's looking good in this. Okay, so we click this filter, and from here we can just add the shadows also if we want. So you can drop shadow or outline or a glow. So glow is not there and none. So we can just save it. So save to downloads. So here we're down already. So we can just save it to a download folder. So we have made the design. So to fit on the t-shirt we can use a printful. So we can just go to Printify because I've logged in the Printify previously. So I will open Printify here. So here we can just close Canva, restock image, and here is the dashboard. So we can just click on start for free. So here we have to just connect the store as here my store. So here to publish it we have to just go to over here as earn publish. So to publish it we can just click on here as connect manage stores. So to click on the connect. So connect option you can see this our connect options, or we can use as Printify also. Okay, so we have to connect with the API Walmart check. So we can just make the products from here. Like it will be costing you like a $19 up to $18. It's give you like a $8 per t-shirt. Then we have to make a new design. So if just come to home and we can just go to my products, create an order. Not an order, we are creating as here as our new product. So we will go to our catalog. So in the catalog we can just go to t-shirt, men t-shirt. So here I will choose as a unisex cotton tee. So the price will be in USD. So we'll start designing. So here we click on the my device option, and here we have made the t-shirt design. We just import. So here it's coming. So it will be uploaded within some time. So it's loading till now. So we can deselect and we can just re-upload the file if it's not uploading. So here is our file. So we will just make it bigger, the image. So it's here. So we can just play with the colors also if you want. So green is royal green color. This color is good. This blue also. So we'll save the product, and from here we can just like here is the product ready. We go to my product. So from here we can just see we have like in orders. So we can just create an order from here also. So other orders. So my product. We can just click on the order button. So here I will add a white color and a side also. This is a manual order shipping. So we'll add the customer shipping details and here. So to get here to create order, we just create order. So here we have to just go to our dashboard. As we have seen, we will add a new work. So here we have to just make the mockup of that also. So here you will add a new work, like upload a new work. Okay, so here you can just upload your new work, like this is like you just to make a mockup and just give the pricing, and this is how you can just, if someone place order, you can just make an order from here and it will be delivered to your customer. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.